Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly wild. Something you never thought you'd hear in the same sentence. Ferrari and motorhomes. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece that blends supercar DNA with five-star luxury on wheels. Buckle up, because this is not just an RV. This is a lifestyle statement. Let's start with the exterior, because this thing turns heads before it even moves. The design screams Ferrari from every angle. Sculpted aerodynamic lines, aggressive front fascia inspired by Maranello's supercars, signature LED lighting, and a bold prancing horse presence that makes ordinary motorhomes look boring. The low, wide stance, carbon fiber accents, massive alloy wheels, and performance-inspired paint options give it the look of a hypercar stretched into a luxury cruiser. Park this anywhere, and it instantly becomes the main attraction. Step inside, and the Ferrari influence becomes even more dramatic. The interior feels like a luxury penthouse fused with a supercar cockpit. Premium Italian leather, Alcantara surfaces, carbon fiber trim, and precision stitching surround you. The driver's seat feels straight out of a Ferrari GT, with a flat-bottom steering wheel, digital displays, and race-inspired controls. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because yes, Ferrari made sure this beast performs. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a high-performance hybrid V8 system tuned for torque, smooth acceleration, and long-distance cruising. Advanced suspension, adaptive drive modes, and performance-grade braking ensure that this massive machine handles with surprising agility. When it comes to price, exclusivity comes at a premium. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is expected to start around $2.5 million, with fully customized builds easily crossing the $4 million mark. This isn't for everyone. It's for collectors, celebrities, and those who want Ferrari prestige without leaving the road behind. Safety is taken just as seriously as performance. The motorhome features advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, collision avoidance, night vision, and reinforced carbon composite structure. Whether cruising highways or parking in tight luxury resorts, Ferrari ensures maximum confidence and protection. So here's the big question. Is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome worth it? If you want unmatched luxury, iconic design, and supercar DNA in the most unexpected form, then absolutely yes. This is not just transportation. It's Ferrari redefining what a motorhome can be. If you enjoyed this insane automotive creation, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next mind-blowing review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where luxury meets performance on another level.